To find Cn, expand k into Lx minus x square, which is nothing but f of x in a half-range Fourier sine series in the interval 0, L. Therefore, f of x is equal to, this is f of x is k into Lx minus x square is equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by L. This is a half-range Fourier series formula in the interval 0 to L, where bn equal to 2 by L integral over 0 to L f of x into sin n pi x by L into dx. This is equation number 7. From 6 and 7, comparing the right hand side and left hand side, we have comparing 6 and 7, we get right hand side left hand side equal. Therefore bn equal to cn. Therefore instead of bn we are going to find out. Therefore cn equal to 2 by L del over 0 to L k into Lx minus x square into sin n pi x by L into dx, which is equation number 7. From 7 we get Cn is equal to, which is equal to 2 by L, k is taken outside, 0 to L, Lx minus x square into sin n pi x by L into dx. By Bernoulli's formula, u equal to Lx minus x square, b equal to sin n pi x by L. Therefore u dash is equal to L minus 2x, u double dash is equal to minus 2, u triple dash is equal to 0. v1 equal to minus L by n pi into cos n pi x by L. v2 is equal to, this is minus of L by n pi the square sine of n pi x by L. v3 is equal to, this is minus plus L by n pi whole cube into cos n pi x by L. u v1, u dash v2, u double dash v3. We have by Bernoulli's formula uv dx is equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 etc. That is 2k by L integral over 0 to L Lx minus x square into sin n pi x by L dx is equal to u v1. u equal to Lx minus x square, v1 equal to minus L by n pi cos n pi x by L minus u dash v2. u dash is equal to 1 by L minus 2x into v2. v2 is minus of L by n pi whole square into sine of n pi x by L plus u double dash, that is minus 2 v3. v3 is L by n pi whole cube into cos of n pi x by L. The limit is 0 to L, which is equal to, when substituting upper limit L, we have L into L square minus L square is 0. Minus, here put L is equal, x is equal to L, we have minus L by n pi. Here we have cancelled L, therefore cos n pi is minus 1 power n. Plus, put x is equal to L here, sin n pi is 0. Minus 2 into, here this is, put x is equal to L, we have L into L square minus L square is 0 into minus L by n pi cos n pi x by L. Plus, here put x is equal to L, we have sin n pi is 0 minus 2 into L by n pi whole cube into cos, put x is equal to L, here cos n pi. Cos n pi is minus 1 power n. This is upper limit. Minus the lower limit is, put x is equal to 0 here. The first term becomes 0. Here put x is equal to 0, first term 0. Plus sine 0, 0. Minus 2 into L by n pi whole cube. Cos 0 is 1. Which is equal to, first term is 0, minus 2 into L cube by n cube pi cube into minus 1 power n, minus of minus plus 2 into L cube by n cube by cube, which is equal to, here we have 2k by L. We have 2k by L. Therefore 2k by L into, I am taking 2 outside, into L cube by n cube by cube is outside. Therefore minus of minus 1 power n plus 1, which is equal to 4, cancelling L, 4 into k into L square by n cube by cube into 1 minus minus 1 power n. This is Cn. When n equal to odd numbers, when n equal to odd or minus or minus plus, 8k, 4k L square by n cube by cube into 2. This is nothing but 8k L square by n cube by cube. If n is odd, equal to 0 if n is even. When put n equal to even number, this is plus 1 minus 1, 0. The whole thing becomes 0. Therefore Cn is equal to 8k L square by n cube by cube if n is odd, equal to 0 if n is even. This is Cn. Substitute the value of Cn in equation number 5. We get y of x comma t is equal to summation n equal to odd to infinity Cn, where Cn is equal to 8k L square by n cube by cube into sin n pi x by L into cos n pi at divided by L. This is equation 5. We are replacing Cn by 8k L square by n cube by cube. Take 8k L square by pi cube outside. We have n equal to odd number to infinity 1 by n cube sin n pi x by L cos n pi at divided by L. This is y of x comma t, that is 8k L square by pi cube summation n equal to 1 to infinity, means we can replace n by 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1 whole cube into sine of 2n minus 1 pi x by L into cos of 2n minus 1 pi at divided by L. This is also y of x comma t, or we can write it like this. Or if y of x comma t, that is 8k L square by pi cube summation n equal to 0 to infinity, means 1 by 2n plus 1 whole cube into sine of 2n plus 1 pi x by L into cos of 2n plus 1 pi at divided by L.